Jennifer Lopez is opening up about one of the most personal conversations a parent can have with her twins Amy and Max. In a recent interview, the global superstar revealed how she gently approached the topics of her past breakup with Ben Affleck, now her husband again after their initial split back in the early 2000s. She explained that honesty, age-appropriate language, and emotional openness were key. Jennifer wanted her children to understand their relationship are complex, but love and respect must always lead the way. Gilo shared that by having those strong talks, she's helping Amy and Max navigate their own feeling about love, trust, and resiliences. It's a reminder that even superstars face real-life challenges, and sometimes healing start with a heartfelt conversation at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring celeb moments.